Hi guys, so today it is currently 9:10 a.m. and we're in a bit of a hurry because we were supposed to leave at 9 a.m. for Genting. So yeah, I wasn't able to get breakfast anymore. I'm not sure if I still can. So let's just find out. Let's go. Hi guys, so we're now in Genting. We just rode the cable car and now we're just looking around. We didn't go to Skyworld anymore because we already went last year. And I don't know, I don't really want to go unless I'm going with some friends. So yeah, we're just walking around. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, so right now we are at Bali. I'm not gonna go anymore because I already did last time. It was too tiring, so I'm not gonna go back anymore. Hi guys, so I just came from Battlefield. I took them Battlefield, but not Grab. And I'm pretty sure they just ripped me off, but it's whatever at this point. Right now we are at TRX Mall and we're gonna meet some friends.
What you use for your content creation?
Yeah, say hi. Ken a bit. Chicken. Okay, so what do you call this again?
Nasi kerabu.
Nasi kerabu.
Yeah.
Okay. And then that one is
Pasta.
pasta with the ulam.
Butter. Soft shell crab with ulam butter pasta.
Okay.
Don't know if you had a pizza just now?
Yeah. The chicken tandoori?
Chicken tandoori pizza, yeah.
Yeah, so good.
So for you.
Okay.
Birchik sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Some of this voodoo sauce.
Uh-huh. Oh my god. Okay. So basically,
Can I put the bone over there?
Yeah.
sure. So this is fish inside chili.
Yeah.
Is it super spicy?
No.
I think it depends on the chili.
But that's chili.
Okay.
No, not that.
Not spicy? Okay. I'm so scared to try the chili. I cannot take chili for shit. I'm so scared.
It's not spicy. I think because they clean out the.
Yeah. I think you need to think with the rice, the chicken.
Oh really? You're supposed to eat everything? Okay, alright. Not bad. It's good.
The rice, the chicken, and then the sauce. The sauce is the most important part.
It's the sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. With salted egg?
Yes, some, yeah.
Okay, you can't see it.
Yeah.
Ah, there. Whatever. Oh, good.
Yeah. It should be good.
Wow, that's so good.
And then you have one bite of the crackers to give them some good taste. Yeah. Something like that.
You guys eat this at home?
No.
Oh, okay.
You just buy.
Oh,
Because it's very hard to make it.
there's so many things.
Yeah.
A mochi ball.
Yeah.
And then inside there's like brown sugar.
Yeah, sure.
So what is this? Coconut?
I think this is like what's the yellow thing?
Not yellow lah. Yellow ke?
No.
No.
Usually the brown one is like gula melaka, which is
Brown sugar.
brown sugar.
Ah,
And then the green is for pandan. And then we have coconut flakes on top.
Okay. Yep.
是牦牛啊，这不是牦牛，这是山。
Worth $1,000.
God.
No lah. My empty wallet.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Let's go.
You know, right? When I say in this case,
Guys, so I some way somehow ended up in Sogo, the mall, not what you think. And right now, I'm just walking to the hotel because apparently it's very near. But I am dead ass, shit ass scared for my life right now. Like, I'm so scared. This is so scary. It's uncomparable to Singapore, I swear, but I swear. But yeah, I'm literally one sheet away, but it's so dark. I hope I live. I hope you guys see this vlog. If you see this vlog, it means I lived. Bye. Hi guys, so I made it to the hotel. I'm not gonna lie, I was so damn scared for my life. Like, it's the experience is just crazy. I feel like I was walking along Geylang Serai. It's insane, I swear. Like, even if there were guards or like, people outside, I was so scared. Like, I don't know, there's just this feeling of uneasiness, and it feels exactly like how it was walking outside at night in Geylang Serai. If you know what Geylang Serai is, then you know that feeling. Thankfully, there was some people outside. I don't know if they were good people or bad people, but they look sketchy. And like, the most sketchiest thing that happened was when I passed by, right? They were looking at me, and then they just start talking to people on the phone. They started their motorcycle and shit like that. And I was like, oh my god, what is happening? I don't know, maybe it's just me overthinking. But yeah, let me know if you guys have the same experience. This is actually the first time I ever walked in Malaysia because I always, always, always take a Grab. And today was the first time also that I took public transport in Malaysia because my friends told me that it was okay. And it was actually nice. I actually like the LRT. The MRT is somewhat similar to the Philippines, which is somewhat okay as well. But the LRT here is the same, almost the same as Singapore. I really like it. But yeah, so maybe let's not walk again at night in Malaysia. But yeah, I mean, Grab here is very, very cheap anyway. So yeah. I'm just glad that I got back to the hotel safe.